Hello, it's me, Kat, and I'm here today with a gift for you, and this is our Friday Patreon video. It is a video from one of our well over 600 videos that we have. I just take one from the back and send it out here for you to enjoy. It will still be relevant, of course. All the videos are relevant, and if you decide that you want to receive one every day, 5 days a week, all year long, then come sign up. Go to patreon.com and sign up. You have 3 tiers to choose from. The first one is $5 a month, and that gives you a video every single day, except Saturday and Sunday, but every single weekday, Monday through Friday, a fresh new one. If you go to the second tier, which is $25, that's a mentoring from me once a month, personally helping you through our system, and you get the videos, so that's pretty cool. And then the third video, the highest tier that I have right now, is $50 a month. And that's for those of you who are looking for a little bit more. You want 2 personal mentorings a month of 25 minutes, and then you want to be able to access the videos. So these are the 3 tiers in Patreon for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon on Patreon. Hello, patrons. Today we're talking about impulsivity. How about that? Okay, so what does that mean? It means you have a plan, but you don't stick to your plan. You become impulsive. You do something else. And this happens a lot in our homes where we have our plan, and our plan is just our 50 points, very simple. But even though we have that plan, we have an impulse decision. We make an impulse decision. Oh, I really want to go do this thing with the girls. Or, let me take the kids to the zoo. That'll be more fun today. Or in the summer, especially, it's too hot. I just don't want to work in the house. I want to go take the kids to the pool or whatever. So impulsivity can lead you from feeling in control to feeling out of sorts. It's a feeling that's not peaceful. And it comes because the self-discipline has slipped a little bit. So when you have a plan, no matter what that plan is, it doesn't have to be your home plan. It could be a plan for your education. It could be a plan for you're saving for something and you want to get that thing sooner. And so you just take the money out of your savings account and get it when you didn't really plan on getting it yet. It just, do you know what I'm talking about? Even if you're grocery shopping and you have a plan, your plan is to spend $200 and you've got your list and it comes to $187 on the Walmart thing, and because sometimes I tell you to put it in on the Walmart thing just to see the Walmart shopping thing, just to see how much it's going to add up to. Anyway, but you want to go shopping that day, you just want to, so you go grocery shopping and you don't order your groceries, and you get in there and boy, it's really easy to be impulsive there. And the next thing you know, when you check out, instead of $187 or $200, you spent $250. Well, that $250, $50 extra out of your grocery budget can really impact you, especially if you do it over and over again. Let's say you're a person who doesn't do your plan as far as errands go, and you just run errands every day. You've got time in the afternoon, you don't know what to do with yourself, you haven't decided who you are and what you need, and instead you just do impulsive things like, I'm going to shop every day. I'm just going to shop every day. So you go to Costco one day, and you go to Publix one day, and you go to Winn-Dixie one day, and you go to Walmart one day. And because of those eensy little drip by drip impulsive buys, you end up spending, let's say you had a $200 limit again, and you spent $250. You didn't even realize you did it because you bought, I'll just get one of these today. Oh, this looks good. That'll go good with dinner. Okay. So instead of sticking to your plan of going grocery shopping once a week and buying what's on your grocery list, which coordinates with your menu, you're impulsive and you don't do it. And then what happens is you don't even make your menu if you did have one. Or let's talk about impulsivity with a menu. You have a menu. Your menu, you have the groceries for it. Let's say you did really good on that. You've got your plan. You know exactly what you're going to have on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, which of course you can interchange those days, but those are your meals for the week. That's what you're going to fix. And you say, I don't want to fix dinner. Let's go out. Let's get tacos, or let's get a pizza or whatever. And then your fresh produce for that meal never gets used and it just gets wasted. And not only have you spent money by going out to eat, but you've wasted your produce. And I know that you can think of lots of other examples of impulsivity. I'll give you another one. I'll give you one more. I like to give it from different points of view. Let's say that you've got a plan to go to bed at 9:30 at night, that you need to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning and you need to be in bed by 9:30 at night. And when it comes time to go to bed, you get distracted by something on TV or on your computer or whatever, and you don't go to bed. And you stay up till 11 and you say, well, I'm a grown up. I can do this every now and then. Only that becomes a habit because it's an impulse that you don't control. And the next thing you know, you can't get up in the morning and you're a crab in the morning and you're not the sweetest part of your home anymore because you're not getting the things that you need. You need sleep. So today's thing is on being impulsive. So think about it when you decide, oh, let's go do this. I want to go do that. Whatever it is, that you look back at your plan and say, how is this going to impact me negatively based on my long-term objective? And maybe your long-term objective is to serve all the meals that you've planned for the week. And you know, I'm not saying you can't eat out. You can certainly have it as part of your plan to eat out, but your long-term objective is to eat these meals this week. Now, longer-term objectives would be savings objectives. How is this affecting our savings? Because I'm saving for the holidays, or I'm saving for a down payment for a house, or I'm saving for, I want to pay cash for a car. All those little 50 here and 25 there's, we'll take it away, erode it. It's just bit by bit by bit, drip by drip. You know, the dripping of water wears away stone. You can wear away your resolve to save and buy something for cash. So look today at how you're being impulsive and make a vow to yourself that each day you'll renew your vow to yourself that you won't be impulsive, that you'll take the time to step back and take a breath or two and say, now what is my objective again? Okay, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.